Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the 2024 Tata Safari Facelift. This is a significant upgrade over the previous generation, and it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a 7-seater SUV that's both stylish and practical. Let's start with the exterior. The Safari has always been a bold-looking SUV, but the new facelift takes it to a whole new level. The sharp creases and distinct new elements make it a real head-turner. At the front, we have new by LED headlights with an animated light bar that runs across the grille. The grille itself gets body-colored accents and a revised lower air dam. Down the sides, we have new chrome door handles and new 19-inch diamond-cut wheels with wider to 145/55 tires. Inside, the cabin gets a few updates, including a new dashboard design, new seat upholstery, and a new infotainment system. The dashboard is now more modern and upmarket, and the new seat upholstery is more comfortable and supportive. The new infotainment system is also more user-friendly and feature-rich. Under the hood, the Safari is powered by the same 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine as the previous generation. However, it's now been updated to meet the BS6i emission standard. The Safari is available with a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive only. Overall, the 2024 Tata Safari Facelift is a significant upgrade over the previous generation. It's got bold new styling, a luxurious interior, and a powerful engine. If you're looking for a 7-seater SUV that's both stylish and practical, the Safari is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews and updates.